Hi, look at this math challenge on the board. This exponential equation before us here. We want to solve for the value of x and at the same time verify the answer if it actually satisfies the equation, the original equation. So the question reads 6 to the power of x plus 6 to the power of x plus 6 to the power of x equal to 90. What is the value of x that satisfies this equation here? So let's go into today's challenge without much waste of time. So first thing here, we'll take our solution to this problem. All right. Now, if you look at this, it is easy. These are the same. So we have three of it. So this is going to give us here our 3 into 6 to the power of x, whose bracket equal to 90. This is easy, right? What I just did here is just factor out 6 to the power of x. Then if you use 6 to the power of x to divide 6 to the power of x, it's going to give you 1. So here we're going to have 1, 1, 1. And if you add the three of them together, that will give us 3. And that's what we have here. So this is divisible by 3. So we divide this by 3, equally divide this side by 3. 3 here, 1, 1, right? Then 3 here, 1, 3 here, will give us 30, right? So we're going to have 6 to the power of x is equal to 30. So what we do next here is easy. All we just have to do here is just to take either the natural log to both sides of the equation, or we take log to base 6 or log to base 10. Now I want to take log to base 6 here. There's a reason for doing that. You so see that reason. Okay, so we take here log 6 to the power of x, then base 6. This is equal to our log 30 base 6. Now look at 30. Because we are having 6 here, and we are having the base number to be 6 also, we want to split this 30. See the reason why I said you will soon see the reason why we are taking log to base 6 and not to base 10, or not taking the natural log ln base e. Okay, so this can be split into 6 times 5, right? So we're writing this, then let's keep this side of the equation. So we're going to have here log our 6 times 5. Put this in bracket, base 6. Now I want to evoke some laws of logarithm, about 2 of them. We could have the power law of logarithm and also the same base law of logarithm. What does it say? Now the first law says that if you have your log, let's take here, if you have your log p to the power of k, we're saying that move this k as a power to this side of the equation here. And this will give us here our k times our log our p here, right? Now, the second law, which is what we call same base law, says that if you have your log, your a base a, this is equal to your 1. But there's a condition attached to this very guy here. What is the condition? It's provided a is not equal to 0. So if a is not equal to 0, this law holds. All right. So look at these two laws here now. So it means that I want to, we will move this to this side. Okay. Then we now express this. This one will give us 1. But again, we still have another law again, which I almost forgot. Multiplication law. And what does it say? Let's continue here and see what that law says. It says that if you have log m times n, right, in bracket, this is equal to our log m plus our log n. This 10, this 10, this 10. Sorry, where am I? Put it this 10. Okay, again, if we consider this rule, then we can apply this rule number 1, rule number 2, rule number 3. Yeah, look at our equation. From this side, we have this to be our log 6 to the power of x, base 6, equal to, we have our log. So we want to split this first. We're going to have log 6 base 6 plus our log 5 base 6. Easy. So we just apply this law to this part here now to give us this. So we can now come up with this other law now, which is this power law. So we want to move this now, like we said, to this other side. So we have here x times log our 6 base 6. This is equal to log 6 base 6 plus log 5 base 6. And so this law comes into play. So this will give us 1, this will give us 1. So now I have our x now equal to 1 plus log 5 is 6. Easy. What happened here, we want to make this easier for easy calculation. So we succumb to the law of change of base, which says that if you have log, take log A, yeah, log A base B, and we want to change this base to C. This is going to give us log our A base C, then all over our log B base C. This is another powerful law again. So what happened, we want to change from base 6 to base 10. And so our equation will automatically becomes x will now be equal to our 1 plus our log 5 base 10 all over log 6 base 10. Easy. We look again. We want to break this to the simplest form. 6 could be written as 3 times 2. So we rewrite this side of the equation. So this is going to give us 1 plus our log 5 base 6, sorry, base 10 rather. We changed to base 10 already. So base 10 all over, here we're going to have log 3 times 2, bracket base 10. Again, we apply the multiplication rule to this. So we can rewrite this expression again. So from here, let's continue here. So from here, we're going to have this to be our x now be equal to 1, which is this measure 1, plus our log 5 base 10 all over. Here we have log 3 base 10 plus log 2 base 10. So these are the simplest format we can express our logarithm. Okay, so this is the value of x that will satisfy the original equation. But we want to plug this value here into the original equation and check if it will satisfy the original equation. Again, you can use the calculator to find the numerical value of this. Then you now divide this by the sum of this, add it to 1 to give you the same answer. But let's check here by plugging the whole of this into this system. So our equation again is, take our check. So what is our equation? We have 6x plus 6 to the power of x, rather 6 to the power of x plus 6 to the power of x plus 6 to the power of x equal to 90. So I want to put all these quantity up here. So let's see how this works out. We're going to have first one 6 to the power of bracket open 1, then plus we have our log 5 base 10, then all over our log 3 base 10 plus log 2 base 10. Right? Then put this bracket plus another 6 again to the power of 1 plus log 5 base 10 all over our log 3 plus log 2. Wow. Let's see what this gives us in turn. Then plus another 6 again, all to the power of, okay, let's continue down here because of space. So we have here plus another 6 again, all to the power of our 1 plus log 5 is 10 all over log 3 plus log 2. Close bracket. Everything equal to 90. Okay. So from here, Look at this expression we have here now. We can work it back to give us something of this kind, to give us this. It was from this point here that we simplified the whole of this down to give us this. So if we work on this, this will now give us our 6 to the power of bracket 1 plus log 5 base 6. So we have here log 5 base 6 close bracket plus 6 to the power of bracket 1 plus log 5 base 6 close bracket plus another 6 to the power of bracket 1 plus log 5 base 6 close bracket, everything equal to 90. Sorry, let's just manage that space there. Okay, so with what we have there now, what happened? According to the law of indices, it says that if you have your a to the power of m plus n, this is equal to your a to the power of m times a to the power of n. Okay, so if we apply this, we can rewrite everything here. So this is going to give us our 6 to the power of 1 times our 6 to the power of log 5 base 6, right there, plus here we're going to have 6 to the power of 1 times 6 to the power of log 5 base 6 plus 6 to the power of 1 times 6 to the power of log 5 base 6, everything equal to 90. Wow. Now look at the second expression here, which is this. We have 6 to the power of log 5 base 6. So what happened? This will go with this will go with this will go with this. So we are now left with 5 here. And 6 to the power of 1 is 6. So we're going to have here 6 times 5 plus, here we're going to have the same thing, 6 times 5 plus 6 times 5 equal to 90. What is 6 times 5? That is 30. So we're going to have here 30 plus 30 plus 30 equal to 90. Okay, so 30 plus 30 is 60, 60 plus 60, plus 30 will give us 90. So this now implies that our 90 is equal to 90. Oh, so this shows that the answer we solve for, which is this, satisfies the original equation. Okay, so this brings us to the end of this math class. If you learned something from this math will be paid challenge, then give the video a thumbs up. If you spot any error in the process of the explanation, drop it in the comment section so that we can respond to it strictly. And again, this is Online Math TV. We love you and we keep loving you. Until we come your way again in our next class, keep winning. Bye for now.